What do you do when your timbers are twisted? I mean, look at this one, it's shocking. It's twisted, I don't know, 15 degrees, something like that. Can you take them back? Can you say, I don't like this timber, I want a refund? So this is a C24 CLS, Canadian Lumber Standard. I think it's undersize 2 by undersize 5. And it was about £8 from Wix, and it's the worst one I've had. It just twisted horribly in the very warm weather that we had. And I'm using it here for my main support joist for the floor in my shed. Now it's possible that this one, it's hard to see because I can't get actually directly above it. Well, I suppose I can here. Possible that this one's twisted a bit. It's hard to tell. When they're cut to this length, it's possible I could still use that timber, but I don't really feel that I should have to. And I've got 2 more of those 2x5s, and they're here, and I store them on a ladder and under this hedge, because that kind of almost guarantees that they lie flat, so that they're not suffering any undue stress, whereas this one, slung across these 2 sort of wooden supports, it's going to have a sag in the middle, but I can't imagine that caused the twist. Now I did try putting clamps at either end, one obviously pulling one way and one pulling the other, and that does take the twist out a bit temporarily, but when you take the clamps off it just springs back. It seems that once that twist has set in, it's permanent. Now when the shops started opening again, Wix had a policy of no returns, so you can't return anything. I probably do have the receipt for this, so I'll probably just have to wait until that policy changes and you can take things back. But can you take twisted timber back under guarantee and say, oi, I want a replacement? I don't know.